ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy when the price was within this move, and this is what we get. And we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the previous low, which is 1.6, and exactly this is what happened. All right. Now, whoever get the trade within this move, they should book some profit and just let it go because the way it's reversing is very corrective. And right now we need to be careful. May this one turn to flat. But since the price, this one haven't broke the previous low, we can look at this one in different way. Either this one turn to flat, but the only question is this one, or as I mentioned, since the price haven't broke the previous low, we put this one as a correction relative to this for one move up. Okay, if we go with the second option, that means we can expect the price move a bit higher, at least to retest the previous top. Right. And right now we don't need to care which option we need to follow. What we expected, the price tag the previous, I mean the 1.6, because we have been looking for price to tag 1.6. Now right now, if we want to look for trade, we need to be really careful because the way is reversing, mostly we can expect the way is moving, the mostly we can expect the price to drop. That's mean if we get any sharp move down with the flag, this is where we can expect the price drop and retest the previous low, and this one turn to flat. Or we can look at this type of the flat, the bigger flat. Okay, again, as what we expected, the price tag 1.6. And right now, if you want from now, if you want to look for trade, you need to be really careful. We prefer to get the bigger correction to look for continuation. That means from now, any trade based on the lower time frame or small correction will be considered as a short term. And whoever get the trade, they have to start to manage at least book profit. And because when we see this kind of the move, mostly we can see the reversal. That's mean the price to drop. In this case, if you move to daily chart, if you refer to our analysis, I mentioned the price can consolidate here for a longer time. This is the reason. And even if we move to forward chart, right now we see if he wants to see the, I mean, if the price have to continue, it have to give us a bigger correction for continuation. That's why whoever get the trade, if they take out the profit is good. If not, at least move their sub loss or book some profit. And before we look for trade, we need to give a. I mean, it give us a better, bigger correction. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue. It can continue, and we can trade based. For example, if I move to 15-minute, we can trade based on with any small correction. But as we can see, every time the price break the previous stop, it start to correct. This means we can consider as a short-term trade. The best trade was whoever get the trade from here. Okay, that's why we need to be quite careful from now, and we don't have any trade set up. As I mentioned, from now, if we want to look for buy, we prefer to it give us a bigger correction because it can give us a better confirmation. And if we see any sharp move correction, this is where we can confirm the price going to drop. And this is where we can look for sell, and whoever get the trade within this move, they have to take out the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.